Yes, 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 yes. The son of the teacher of the universe is back for another day. Let's do some math. All right, so I'm out here on my walk, just trying to enjoy the day, have a little fun, get things started off on a good note. But today's just a great day. It is one of the best days, really, because on this day, 25 years ago, Disney released one of the greatest animated features of all time. You might be thinking, Mr. Jerkins, today is not the anniversary of The Lion King, or it's not the anniversary of Aladdin, or maybe your favorite Toy Story. We go old school. It's not the anniversary of Robin Hood, not the anniversary of Snow White. No. Today is the anniversary of the release of a Goofy movie. Oh, one of the best. The world was introduced to Powerline. I mean, some great music, great themes. I mean, Bigfoot makes an appearance. Come on, how can you not like that? So just do yourself a favor. If you've not seen this amazing feature film, find some time. Do a free trial of Disney Plus if you got to, and watch this movie. 100% worth it. I'm gonna go and say you're welcome, but you'll be thanking me later. Great way to start your day off. See y'all later. Okay. Let's be super honest real quick. Exercise? It's not for me. I mean, I've done 3 walks. I've walked like 10 miles total, and my legs want to die. Like this is not what I signed up for. But you know what I did sign up for? Today's algebra lesson. Let's go! This exercise thing, seriously, it's not for me at all. Ken, Shannon, Skip, what do you think? No? All right. Heidi? No? Not you either? All right. I guess we're going to do some math then. Oh, it hurts. All right. We're back for another day. We're here. You're here watching a video of math. Even though you're at home, I love it. It's fantastic. A couple of things to get started, of course. We're going to start with Disney pens today because I just got some new ones in. They're fantastic. Got a little Maleficent apple and Goofy in a Goofy handprint. Yes. It's like a self-high five. Fantastic. What else we got? I've got my soda ready to go because obviously if I'm walking, I'm going to be thirsty. Oh, Marvel Keychain Day. Let's see. Could get Star-Lord or Rocket Raccoon or Iron Man. Oh, fantastic. We got Venom's ugly face. Venom, you can go sit here with Michael Scott and Max Kepler. Be great. Good spot right there. All right. Well, yeah. That's how we start the day. Normally we start with that. Oh. Ah! No. Work! Ah! Oh! Aha! That's fun. That was fun for me. I hope I hit some of y'all. Maybe. Quote of the day. Everyone's favorite. Your favorite. Your favorite. Your favorite. Definitely your favorite. And definitely your favorite. Our throwback. Let's see. Got from Monday, March 30th, right before these videos began. I don't understand your specific kind of stupid, but I do admire your total commitment to it. I mean, look, it's bold. And somebody's got to stand up for what they believe in, I suppose. Today's quote for Tuesday, April 7th, 2020, full moon according to this calendar. Alexa, skip to Friday. Alexa, shut your mouth hole. No, stop. Alexa's a ridiculous person. She hears everything. All right. Alexa, jump ahead. Oh, we've done our pins. We've opened something up. Quote of the day. Wait, happy birthday, Mr. Carter, my Algebra 1 teacher. And you can thank him for everybody's favorite thing that I yodel in class. The distributed property. Been in my head since 98, 99. Hopefully it's yours too. I think it's time we use a little math. Let's go. All right now, BJ Upton, David Price, Carlos Pena, raised greats of the past. Pay attention. This is going to be on the quiz. All right. It's your favorite time of the day. I think it's not your favorite time. Your favorite time of the day is probably the demotivational quotes. It's okay. It's one of my favorite parts. Before we say hey to the siblings, what's up, Anthony, Rebecca, Nelson, Ross? Glad y'all are here. I mean, again, I've been making videos for 5 days. 3 of them have come to class, and Ross has come 4 days. We're doing pretty good. But specifically, I want to thank Nelson because my Canadian brother-in-law has decided to send in for you the wonderful, fantastic Canadian math problem of the day. Yay! So, all you have to do is let me know, what does each symbol equal? And you will get a shout out, maybe a prize once all this blows over. All right, so yesterday we worked on Pythagorean Theorem. Video number 1 is pretty solid. Made it through, learned about what Pythagorean Theorem is, how to use it. Now we're going to use it today to find out a missing leg or missing hypotenuse value. Yes. Should snap this in or out of existence. Stay. Good. Good hand. All right. So we're going to use the Pythagorean Theorem to find the length of a leg or find the length of a missing hypotenuse. Of course, our Pythagorean Theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember that because our a and b values represent our legs of our right triangle. C representing the hypotenuse of the right triangle. So, if I look over here, I've got a right triangle. I've got 2 sides that I know. I know that this side of the triangle is 12. The length is 12. This side of the length is 16. And the missing length, we're using a variable x to represent it. The question is, where does x go in the formula? To know that, we've got to know which piece of information this is. Is it the hypotenuse length or a leg length? Let's think. What do you think? Yeah, of course, it's a hypotenuse because it's the side across from the right angle of the triangle. So, come to our wonderful formula here. 12 squared, one of my legs, plus 16 squared, another leg, equals x squared. Now I'm going to bend down. Whoa, it hurts. All right, we're good. Saved it. 12 squared. What's 12 times 12? That's 144. Plus 16 squared. It's 256. Now remember, if you don't remember what the perfect square is there, if you don't remember what 16 squared is, we can always go back to a little vertical multiplication. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. 6 times 1, 1 times 1, we add together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 5, 15. Carry that 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. There we go. Now we add together 144 plus 256. We need to simplify this side of the equation so that we can solve for x. 4 plus 6 is 0. Carry a 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. Plus 1 is 0. Carry another 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we've got x squared equals 400. And that's great. But did we get asked what x squared equals? No, we're asked what x equals. So we've got to figure out a way to go from x squared to x. We need to do an opposite operation. What would it be? I know it's not division because multiplication and division are opposites. It's not subtraction because addition is the opposite of subtraction. Oh, that's right. It's a square root. Or the square root of anything squared is just itself. The square 400 happens to be a perfect square, which works out nicely, which means x equals 20. And we're able to find the hypotenuse. Now we're going to scoot over here ever so slightly to my next right triangle. This one we've got one side is 5, one side is 9, and one side is x. What we need to figure out first is, what are we trying to solve for? What does x represent? Does it represent the hypotenuse or a leg? Oh, of course. We just said a second ago that x was a hypotenuse because it was across from the right angle. Well, across from the right angle is a 9. So I know that means we're going to be equaling 9 squared. We're going to add the squares of these together. So 5 squared plus x squared. What's 5 squared? 25 plus x squared equals 81. And we got to solve for x, which means we got to get rid of that 25. Remember, we're solving equations. We solve for a variable. Once the variable's on one side by itself, we got to get everything else to the other side, which means we got to subtract 25 from both sides. We get x squared equals 56. Now wait a second. 56 isn't a perfect square, is it? Means we're going to have to get out a handy dandy calculator here, do a little calculations, because we know to find the value of x, we have to take the square root. And since it's not a perfect square, we're going to say it's approximate here. If I place it, I know 56 is between 49 and 64, so the number's got to be between 7 and 8. It's about halfway between. If you plug in your calculator, you'll find out it's approximately 7.48. And that's our lesson for Pythagorean Theorem. Thankfully, there's one lesson in Ingenuity is for finding a leg, one's for finding the hypotenuse, which means in 2 days, we've covered the material you need to be able to complete our Ingenuity trials, our Ingenuity work online. Now, that means for the next 2 days at least, we're going to do a little review, trying to make sure we're ready for what comes next and that we're strong on what we covered in the first semester. So until then, we'll see you later, but hopefully you're having a great day, great little Tuesday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Even Ken Griffey Jr. agrees. Go Gators!